afternoon. Why am I so happy? Okay, just showing my 32 for you guys. How are you? How are you doing? How are you doing? Oh God, how is life treating you? Are you well? Are you okay? Are you going through any difficulties? Just know that I am here for you. All right, all right. So Christmas is coming, guys. Christmas is coming. Christmas is it's not how it used to be for me anymore. I used to be very excited when I used to be very excited when it was Christmas. Cause then I won't have to go to school or something. But now I'm excited though, but I really do not like the weather that comes to Christmas. Everywhere will be so dry, the Amatan and all of that. But I love the smell of Christmas, when you start perceiving that Christmas smell, it feels good to perceive that smell. But the season, the weather, the dust, I don't know if where you are is like that. Benin City, everywhere is full of dust. Like you mop your house this minute, the next minute everywhere is full of dust. So you have to be mopping like every day, and cleaning every day. I don't like this season because of the dust and all of that. Good guys, you guys don't know how happy I am to be here. You know, me just beating my fear and doing all of these videos that I've been putting out yet. I won't put out much videos, but I'm happy that I'm at least doing it because procrastination is one of the things that has got me down for a very long time. Fear, doubt, self doubt, and all of that. I am so happy that I'm doing this with you guys, living my 30s with you guys. I hope I can really show you guys what I need to show you guys because I want you guys to experience, I want us to experience our growth together. And by the way, I'm watching Mary Colette doing a vlog. I said, okay, I love her by the way, so much. I love her. I said, okay, why don't I do something? I wanted to make my hair. You see, I already started. Not like make. I just wanted to do something nice on my hair myself. I was like, why don't I just what? Oh God, why don't I just set a camera and and just record it? So I want to make my hair. No, make. I don't know. I just want to do something with my hair. So I want you guys to watch it. Mm? All right, let's go. Okay. Oh.
Tórtolas amantes, se escucha un estruendo que viene de adentro. Pobre paloma, ahora lloras mi lamento. Ahora que el árbol ha caído y muerta la leña se ahoga en el fuego. Se me desnuda el dolor y el alma. A lo lejos el río, el amor se lleva. Noche y día, el amor se va. Noche y día.
I really don't want to put relaxer on my hair anymore. Even with all these pains that virgin hair brings, I'm ready to take all of them because I heard relaxers causes fibroid. I don't know how true that is. And even my scalp, I have a very soft scalp, and I usually, get bone scalp anytime I retouch my hair with relaxer. So I'll just be, taking all these things that virgin hair is giving me and take. I told you guys I did a maomettomy some time ago, trying to avoid so many things because there's every possibility that it will come back. You know, my the food I eat, the things I take, and I've stopped drinking. I stopped taking anything sugary. I've stopped eating some food hard and stop eating red meat, beef and goat meat and the rest of them. So the only thing I eat these days are mostly fish. And yeah.
Y el amor se fue. Quizás no quede nada. Mi vigilia se acaba. Penas ya no habrá. Quise borrar los recuerdos. Se me desnuda el dolor y
What?
el alma. A lo lejos el río, el amor se lleva. Noche y día, el amor se va. Noche y día, y el amor
Oh,
se
okay.
fue.
This music is like trust the process. I don't even know how the hint will make it look like because I'm just, doing my thing. I don't know what I'm doing. But do I?
Y el amor se fue. Quizás no
Oh my
quede
god,
nada.
my hand.
Mi vigilia se acaba, penas ya no habrá. Quise borrar los recuerdos, se me desnuda el dolor y el alma. A lo lejos el río, el amor se lleva. Noche y día, el amor se va. Noche y día, y el amor se fue.
You can not even use what is it called? Estrogen during this time because of the day just the same word flashing on your head. What I'm seeing in the mirror is different from what I'm seeing here. It looks finer in the mirror than on this phone camera. Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it?
Y el amor se fue. Quizás no quede nada. Mi vigilia se acaba. Penas ya no habrá. Quise borrar los recuerdos. Se me desnuda el dolor y el alma. A lo lejos el río, el amor se lleva. Noche y día, el amor se va. Noche y día, y el amor se fue.
Don't worry. If I should do makeup, I swear to you, this thing will become very fine. It will become very fine. How does it look? Ah, yeah. I like it. At least that's what she said. Like I clean my hair like every day. Every day. I like it. So it's not like I want to show you anything on this video or in this video. Anyone that is correct, just pick it. If it's on that is correct for you, pick it. If it's in, pick it. Yeah. This is all I wanted to show you guys. You know, is this that something you will try? You can try it and just add your own, stuff. Then you can add some trans that is it trans? Anyone you can just add it to just for the video or something and use a band. I don't have a band. I would have done that. So we did. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. Bye. Bye.